In this video, I'll detail how to use browser or Google on Apple Watch. So if you have an Apple Watch and you want to browse anything on your Apple Watch, you definitely need to use browser. But literally, there is no browser application on the Apple Watch. So how then do you use browser on Apple Watch? So if I don't know this video, if you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing you want to do when you want to use browser on your Apple Watch is make sure you turn on Siri. So if you have not done that, just go to your Apple Watch settings. On the settings page, scroll down until you get to Siri and click on it. Now, once you selected Siri, turn on Listen for Siri, enable Raise to Speak, then turn on Press Digital Crown if this is disabled, so that when you press the digital crown, this is going to wake Siri. You can also come down here, change the Siri to a language, and also choose your Siri voice. Once that is done, the next thing you want to say is this. You need to command or instruct Siri on your Apple Watch to open a web page where you'll be able to go to the next page. Hey Siri, open google.com and search for technology. Now, once Siri displays the result, just scroll down, keep scrolling like this until you get to the bottom. Then you should see search Google. Then go ahead and tap search Google. Once you click on search Google, this is going to open the Google browser on your Apple Watch. Now click on it once like this, then you should see other information related to what you asked. Now you need to go ahead, tap this here, click on it once again, then delete it. Now search for whatever you want to use. So that is how you can easily use Google on Apple Watch like this. Now once the Google page opens, you can then go ahead and click on the search bar here, click on it once, then go ahead and type in whatever you want to ask from Google here. You see that? Then you can click on any page to open it on your Apple Watch. That's it. So that is how you can easily browse on Apple Watch. If you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.